Welcome to Mary and Mike English Channel.
Can you hear that? That's the sound of a morning beginning. An alarm clock, birds outside the window, water running in the bathroom, and coffee being poured.
Today, Eva and her mom, Sophia, are taking us inside a real family morning. Waking up, getting ready, and rushing out the door for school. You'll learn the English words we all use every single morning.
Eva is still learning English. Sophia knows all about morning routines. And somewhere in the house, Oscar is making pancakes.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly. So close your eyes, imagine the morning in Eva's house, and just relax. Hello, I'm Mary.
And I'm Mike. Listening to simple stories is one of the best ways to improve your English because you hear real words in real situations, not from a textbook.
Exactly. But before we start, we have two small listening questions for you.
Question 1. What time does Eva wake up?
And question 2. What does Sophia forget before leaving the house?
Both answers will appear somewhere in the conversation, so listen carefully.
If you hear the answers, write them in the comments after you finish listening. Writing in English is a great way to practice. Even one sentence helps.
Let's go.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning in Eva's home. Sophia is standing inside Eva's bedroom. It is time for her to wake up and get ready for school. Eva is in the bathroom now. She still feels sleepy, but she is brushing her teeth carefully. The water feels cold and fresh on her face. In the kitchen, Oscar is very busy. He is cooking pancake for the whole family. The kitchen smells like delicious hot coffee. The family sits together at the kitchen table. They eat breakfast and talk about their plans for the day. Everyone feels happy and positive this morning. Eva sits on the floor in the living room. Her black school shoes are placed next to her. She puts on her shoes while Sophia is brushing her hair. She is almost ready for school. Sophia opens the pink backpack and looks inside. She checks for books and pencils. She wants to make sure Eva stays organized and prepared. In the kitchen, Oscar puts a ham sandwich and a red apple into a plastic lunchbox. The apple is part of Eva's healthy lunch for school. He carefully places the lunchbox inside the backpack. Oh no, where are the car keys? Sophia and Eva look near the brown TV stand. Oscar checks the small drawer in the kitchen. Finally, they find the keys on the table. Now the family stands together by the front door. They put on their warm jackets. The sun is shining brightly outside. The family walks to the car together. It is time for a great day at school.
Wow, what a lovely and detailed story. I can really imagine that house and that busy morning.
Yes, it feels like a very active and lively home.
Listening to this story reminds me of my mornings when I was a student. Everything always feels so fast in the morning.
That is true. And 6 o'clock in the morning feels very early when you are a student.
Especially if you love sleeping like I do.
I knew you were going to say that.
Mary, do you usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Oh no, not at all. I normally wake up at 5:30.
5:30? That is a big surprise.
I know. But I really enjoy having quiet time before the day begins. I like to do yoga, drink my herbal tea slowly, and listen to a little music. That small, peaceful moment makes my whole day better.
I have to admit something. I am not a morning person at all. At 7 o'clock in the morning, I am exactly like Eva in the story. Very, very sleepy.
I can absolutely imagine you in the bathroom, brushing your teeth with your eyes half closed.
That is very accurate.
In the story, Eva is brushing her teeth carefully. Brushing your teeth is a very common morning routine action.
Yes, it is very important. But the story says the water is cold. I do not like cold water on my face early in the morning.
I love it! Cold water feels like a small shock to the body. It says, "Wake up, Mary. It is time to work."
I prefer warm water. Warm water feels much more comfortable and relaxing.
Wow, Eva is very brave with that cold water.
Yes, she is. Now let's talk about Oscar in the kitchen. I really like Oscar. He is busy making breakfast for the whole family.
Pancake. Now I am getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too.
I love the smell of warm pancake in the morning.
And the story says the kitchen smells like delicious coffee. That is my favorite smell in the entire world.
Yes, we know Mike and his coffee.
It is true.
A good smell in the kitchen can make everyone feel happier.
It really can.
The family sits at a kitchen table.
My table is wooden. Wooden means made of wood, like from a tree.
My table is a simple white table made of metal. It is very old, and it belonged to my grandmother. It feels very special.
That sounds beautiful.
In the story, the family talks about their day while eating breakfast.
In my house, we usually eat in silence. We are all too sleepy to talk in the morning.
Oh, Mike, you need more energy in the morning. Talking about your plans is a wonderful way to start the day.
You are right. It helps the family feel connected.
Then Eva goes to the living room and sits on the floor to put on her shoes. I sometimes sit on the floor too when I put on my shoes.
Really? If I sit on the floor, I might fall asleep again.
You are so dramatic. Eva has black school shoes. My school shoes were always black and very simple.
Mine were blue sneakers. I loved them because I could run very fast in them.
A fast Mike. I like that.
Before we continue, just a quick pause in the story.
If you're enjoying this conversation with Eva and Sophia, you'll love the other stories on our channel. We have episodes at restaurants, at the airport, at coffee shops, all in slow, clear English.
Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Mary and Mike English channel. When you subscribe, you become part of our learning family, and you'll never miss a new story.
And if you know someone who is also learning English, share this episode with them. Learning together makes everything easier.
Remember, at the beginning, we asked you 2 questions.
The answers are coming very soon, so don't go anywhere. You've been listening so carefully. You're almost there. Now let's go back to the story and talk about the pink backpack. Pink is a great color for a backpack. Sophia looks inside and checks the books and pencils. She helps Eva stay organized. Mike, are you organized?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. One time, I went to work and completely forgot my laptop.
No! What did you do?
I had to go back home. It was a very long and stressful morning.
You definitely need someone like Sophia to check your bag.
Yes, I need a blue backpack and a Sophia in my life.
I have a small story too. Last week, I was in a hurry in the morning. I put my lunch in my bag, but I forgot to close the bag properly.
Oh no. What happened?
My apple rolled out of the bag and under my car. I did not see it until I came home later that day. I had no snack for the entire day.
That is very sad. No apple for Mary.
Right. In the story, Oscar puts a ham sandwich and a red apple in a plastic box for Eva. Red apples are very sweet and juicy.
I prefer green apples because they are a little sour. But honestly, any apple is a good and healthy choice for school.
And then comes the big problem in the story.
The keys.
Ah, yes, the car keys. This is a very classic problem in many homes around the world.
It happens everywhere. Where are the keys is one of the most common sentences in the morning.
I lose my keys all the time. I look in my jacket. I look in the kitchen. I even look under the sofa.
In the story, they look near the brown TV table. Brown is such a classy dark color.
My TV table is gray. It is a little boring, but I like it.
Mine is green and I love it.
They also check the small drawer in the kitchen.
A drawer is often a good place to put your keys.
But the keys are not there.
Finally, they find the keys on the table.
They were there the whole time.
Why does that always happen? You look everywhere, and the object is right in front of you.
I think keys enjoy playing a game. They hide and then appear when you are stressed.
Hide and seek keys. That sounds like a great name for a movie.
Yes! Okay, everyone, if you are still listening to our chat, we have a little task for you. Please comment the word keys below in the comments section.
Yes, let us know if you also lose your keys in the morning. We want to hear your funny or stressful stories.
So now the family is completely ready. They have the keys, the backpack, and of course, the apple. And they put on their warm jackets.
Even though the sun is bright, mornings can still be chilly. I have a very warm winter jacket. It is big and black, and when I wear it, I feel like a big bear.
A big bear? I want to see a photo of that, Mike. My jacket is very visible. Mine is red. I like being visible when I walk in the street.
That is very smart. Then the family walks to the car together. I love this image. The morning sunshine, warm jackets, and happy family.
It is such a nice way to start the day. The story shows the end of the morning routine at home and the beginning of the day at school.
I think this story is fantastic because it uses very simple words for things we see every single day.
Yes! Words like bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living room. Those are the 4 main rooms in a house.
And don't forget the furniture: table, TV stand, drawer, and floor.
Yes, and the important objects too. Backpack, shoes, books, pencils, and keys.
The colors. Pink, black, red, and brown.
Mike, you are a star student today. You remembered everything.
Thank you, Mary. I am trying my best.
Now, let's go back to our 2 questions. Question 1. What time does Eva wake up? If you were listening closely, you heard it. 6 o'clock in the morning.
And question 2. What does Sophia forget before leaving the house? The car keys. They were on the table the whole time.
Did you get both answers right? If you did, write them in the comments using a full English sentence. For example, Eva wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
And tell us, do you lose your keys in the morning? We want to hear your funny morning stories. Practice makes progress.
We share stories in slow and clear English so you can learn naturally without stress. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Mary and Mike English channel. You become part of our learning family.
Share this with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together makes everything easier and more fun.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.